name is Enia Folorunsho, popular known as Any Media. Alright, so today I'll be showing you how to create a promotional video just like this one. Okay, alright, so let me show you right now. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So now you are creating something like this. Okay, so alright, so the first thing we are going to do is tap on this new project. Then you are going to use 16:9 ratio. Okay, so next thing is enter the name of a project. Let me just type promotional video. Okay, so now you are going to tap on create. So now it's going to take you direct to your media stage where you are going to use your images, the background, everything. So this is where it's going to take you to. So as you can see now, this is my media stage. So this is what we are going to use. Okay, so now let me tap on where I want to choose my video, my piece. So let me use this one. Okay, so now I'm choosing like 7 of them. So I will go back now to add more to it. All right, so that is how you are going to choose everything that you are going to use. So let me do it again. All right, so now I'm adding like 7 of them. Okay, so now I've added everything here. I mean the 7 pieces that we're going to use. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do now, so as you can see, if you notice, this place is not fitting with the screen, I mean with the interface. So even this one, so what you are going to do is you're going to click on it. Okay, so what you are going to do is to come to this pan and zoom. Sorry, so you're going to click on this pan and zoom here, this place. So you're going to click on it. So after clicking on it, so the power of this place is, you see this start position here, this start position and this end position. Okay, so the power of it is to make your piece look like video. Okay, so and this place too is to join the two together, I mean the starting position and the end position. So I'm going to show you why doing it, I mean when it comes to that. Okay, so now we are going to click on this start position. Then we are going to zoom it to fit the screen. So the end position too, you are going to tap on it. Then you are going to zoom it more than the start position. See the start position, why this is the end position. So all right, so let me show you what I'm talking about. Can you see now that it look more like video? Let me play it again. Can you see now? All right, so just like the second one too. So as you can see, this one is already fitting with the screen. So what you are going to do is you come to this pan and zoom again. So that means that we are using only the end position. So the end position, we are going to zoom it just a little bit. Okay, so now let me play it. Can you see it now? Wow, so this is how you are going to do everything. Don't forget this one. So we are zooming it to fit the screen. So while we do the end position more than the start position. So let me play it again for you to see. Can you see it now? So that is how you are going to do everything here. Okay, Let me play it again. Can you see now? So that is how you are going to do everything. Okay. All right, so now that I've put it in everything, so let me play everything together now for you to see. Can you see now? It's look more like video. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is, as you can see, this clip it's too long for me to use. So what you are going to do, there are two. Okay, you can do it in two ways. So the first thing you are going to do is, the first one is this trim has split here. So you are going to click on it. So here you can see trim to the right, trim to left, split and insert freeze frame. So as you are doing everything, I'm going to be showing you how to do everything. I mean, use the trim left, trim right, split and insert freeze frame. Okay, so right now we are using the trim to the right. So this one, you're going to click on it. Can you see now? Can you see? Let me go back. Okay, can you see now? So the second one too. So if you don't want to use that one, so the easiest way to do it is, you after clicking on it, so you are going to tap on it, drag it, drag it, drag it. Okay, so you are going to do the next one to drag it to the size you want. So that's that, you are going to be dragging them. So drag it. All right, so let me play it now. So as you can see, this place is somehow slow. So let me zoom it. Okay, let me see it again. All right, so the next thing we are going to do now is how to beautify it. Okay, so now you are going to click on it, then you scroll down, then you come to this, clip graphics here. So you are going to click on it. So here you are going to see so many templates: the good flyer on sales, good vibes, out animation, real estate demo. So but you being the first time of using it, you are not going to see all this one. So you will be downloading them. So where you are going to, this is what you are using today. So but if you want to, you are not going to see this one on your own. So where you are going to tap on is this, sorry, let me show you, is this store here. So you are going to click on it. After clicking on it, it's going to straight to this place, where you are going to download it. So there are many templates here. Can you see the good vibes, the one I showed you the other time, the out animation, so many things. Okay, but right now what you are going is, you come down to this place. As you can see, you are going to drag it up, then you are going to tap on this promotional. So you're going to scroll down. So this is our artistic motion. So we are going to click on it to download it. So as you can see, my own is already downloaded and installed here. So your own is going to show download there. So you are going to download it and it's going to install on its own. All right, so now let me go back. Okay, so now after downloading it, it's going to show here. So now let me click on the artistic motion. All right, so you see now there are 7 templates under it alone. All right, so let me use this, let me use this 06. Can you see? Can you see? So you do the second one too. So the third one too. So that is how you are going to be adding everything on it. So after using it on the second one, can you see? So same thing as the third one, I've put it in the third one. So that is how you are going to put it on everything. Okay, so now let me play it for you to see. Can you see? Can you see? So that is how you are going to insert it in everything. So now let me put it in the remaining one. So now I've put it in everything. Okay, so now let me play it for you to see. Can you see? All right. So the next we are going to do is to make the remaining of our training more interesting. So now let me add music to it. So where you are going to add your music is this place. I made this audio right here. So you are going to click on it. So here you can download any music of your choice, the one from your gallery, everything for your music library. So right here I'm taking my own from here. All right, so let me so after clicking on it, then you are going to tap on this plus icon here to add it to your clip. All right, so now let me play it. All right, can you see? So that is how it is. Okay, so now the next thing to do now is to add our text. Okay, so now let me go back to my media. Now I want to choose the background for it. So let me click on, let me go to my download. Okay, so let me use this one. All right, so let me fit it to the screen. So same thing. So now I want to duplicate it. So what I'm going to do is to come to this place. So you're going to click on it. Then you see duplicate here. So now I want to drag it to the last clip. So what I'm going to do, can you see the way I drag it to the right? So let me drop it here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, let me go back to the first one. So what I'm going to do right now is to come to this layer here, this place. So you are going to click on it, then come to this media here. So we are going to the image assets. So let me pick this one. So you are going to zoom it to fit the whole screen. So now what I'm going to do is I want to change the color of this thing here. So you are going to click on this color here. So let me click on it. So you can choose any color of your choice, but I'm choosing this one. I mean this one here. So this is what I'm choosing. Okay, so after choosing it, can you see? All right, so after choosing it, then you are going to, so you are not going to see all this one if you did not highlight what you are going to edit on. Okay, so now let me click on it. Can you see? So you are going to scroll down, then you see this opacity here. So you are going to click on it. Then you are going to take it down. Let me use it on 60. Okay, so just same thing in the last one that I dragged the other time. So instead of me going back and take the image asset again, this one. So what I'm going to do is just click on here again, then tap on duplicate. So now I'm going to click on it. You're going to press hold on it, then drag it to the right. Okay, then you drag it to where you want to place it on. So can you see now? So now let me go back. Don't forget, anything you add as layer is going to come below your the main clip here. Okay, so if you use this one, so it's going to just add here, but if you use this one here, so it's going to add in this place. It's going to come below it. So that is why it's called layers. Okay, so what you are going to do now is, I'm coming, let me drag the music here. So let me play it again. Alright, so the next we are going to do now is to add text to our video. So if you want to add text, you come to this layer again. So you're going to click on it. Then you see text right here. So you're going to click on it. So let me type on delicious meal at. Okay, so now let me tap on OK. So can you see it now? So now if you want to increase it, so you are going to come to this place. This one. So you are going to click it. Then this one is to rotate your text. Okay, so now let me increase it. Can you see now? Alright, so if you want to change the font of your text, so you're going to come to this place to change the text of your text. Come to this stage here. So you are going to tap on it. So can you see there are many tests here to use? There are so many tests here for you to use. So what I'm using is this one, this Pattaya regular. And if you want to download your test, so don't forget, you're going to come to your store again, this place, to download the test of your choice. Alright, so let me use this one because of our time. Can you see? Alright, so now what you are going to do is, it won't beautify it without adding any animation on it. So this is in animation, this is overall animation, while this is out animation. Alright, so let me use the in animation for you to see. Can you see? It's fading, it's pop up, we slide right. So what I'm using right here is, I want it to wipe, slide, enter slide from left. Alright, so can you see now? Let me reduce it. Alright, so what you are going to do is to go back. So now here you can change the color of your text, you can reduce the opacity, blending, and many things. Here you can do the shadow. Can you see? Do the shadow. Okay, let me use this one. Alright, so now you can use the text outline just like this one. Okay, so now let me reduce the opacity. I think it's okay like this. Right, so that is how to insert your text. Can you see? Let me play it. So I want it to start from here. You're going to press hold on it, then drag it. Right. It's too slow. So let me increase it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to insert the name of the owner of the food. Don't forget, we are not doing it for anyone, just to practice. Okay, so I'm going to send all the food pieces here for you to use. I'm going to send it for you in the group for you to practice on. Okay, so what we are going to do is, instead of you going back to write, taking everything again, so what you are going to do is just to click on it, then go to tap on duplicate here. Can you see? So now let's go back to edit. This is where we are going to edit your piece, edit your text again. So you're going to clear it. So let me type on, okay, any food. So let me change the font to this one. So I'm going to increase it. So now I'm going to change the animation to slide from the right. So now I want to change the color to, okay, to yellow. All right, so now let's play it again. Okay, so let me drag it. Let me drag it here. I think it's okay like this. Okay. So this place is too long. What you are going to do is, don't forget, you are going to drag it. So let me do this one too. So that is how you are going to short everything. So now let me play it again. All right, let me do. So in this place, as the text come out here, there's supposed to be, some sound effect. So what you are going to do is, okay, I think this is where they meet. So now you are going to come back to your audio and come to this SFS. So let me use this one. I'm going to increase it. Now, okay, let me increase it again. So another thing that we are going to do is, the text. Let's give the text out animation. All right, so let me click on it. Inward. So let me do it to the second one too. All right, so now let me play it for you to see. Can you see? All right, so now let's go and do the last one. So what you are going to do is come to this place, you drag it. Okay, so you drag it. Okay, so let's go and drag the other one too. All right, so what we are going to do here is change the okay. So what you are going to do here is you are going to click on the text here, where it's end here. So you are going to click on the text, you are going to tap on split here. Okay, so you're going to do the second one too. Don't forget, you come to this trim and split, you come to the split here. So now let's go back and do the same thing here. So here you are going to tap on split it again. Make sure it's not crossing the line, the line here. Make sure it's not crossing it. Okay, so now what you are going to do is you are going to highlight this one. As you can see, the text is okay. So what you are going to do is to delete it, your text. Okay, so you are going to tap on it, then come to this delete. You're going to delete it, then do the next one. You're going to delete it too. So now let me play it. Can you see? So instead of this place to come at like as delicious meal, so what you are going to do is you're going to tap on this delicious meal. So you are going to come to this edit, then you tap, then you clear it, write visit us, okay, us at can you see? So here you are going to write the address of this place. Let me say Babatunde. Okay, just let me write Lekki, Lagos. Okay, so I'm just writing, we are just using it. Okay, so now you can even add the number, the number of the owner of the store. So instead of you, don't forget, just click on any one of it. Okay, let me use this first one. So let me tap on duplicate, then edit it, write the number. Let me say 0. Okay, call 081 and all right. So you're going to drag it down here. Let me play it again. So let me change the in animation. Let me change the in animation to fade. So this one too, let me change it to pop up. No. Alright. So this VC2, I'm going to put it on. You can use anyone, okay? So let me use the fading. Alright, so now let me play it. I think this one is not good enough. So let me change the animation. Fading, okay? Alright. So now let's play everything together again. Alright, so what you are going to do now is to come to this setting here. So you're going to tap on this audio fade in and audio fade out. Can you see the work of it now? Alright, so that is how to do it, okay? So if you want to save your work, you come to this place, this icon here. So you are going to tap on it. So this is where to save your work, okay? So you're going to click on this save as video. I mean this one. So this is where to save your work. Alright, so I don't need to download it again, it's already on my phone. So, and don't forget, make sure you practice with it. I'm going to send you all the piece to use. Make sure you practice with everything and submit it in the WhatsApp group, okay? Alright, so see you in the next video.